Nakilala siya. Nakilala?
Oo.
Kami nakilala ko yan.
That's true, bro.
Ay, na mom niya.
That's funny. One of the tournaments, pinapa-autograph na yung mom.
Nag-selfie kami ng mami daddy niya. Yeah.
Where?
Nung Sunday.
Oh, here? Dito sa...
Nung nagpa-practice siya doon sa court 9, I think, or 8.
Nice.
No, some kid got the ball over there. It's so sad. Ask him what's real tennis about.
We were there.
It's like crazy.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. What, you have to go to the...
Yeah, no, to the up. Look at this.
Because the one we got was...
Subscribe ako.
Is that an app?
It's like, ay, si Layla, yun na.
Ito na si Layla.
Yeah.
If I did all this exercise, I'm already tired.
It's not that crazy. Maybe like it should be, but it's
Kamukha sila ng tatay niya. Silang magkapatid. Asa kaya yung kapatid niya? Ano nag-ahari?
Okay. Like it's only for maybe half an hour.
Kaya nga siya.
Oh.
Oo, baka.
Contact already, Hello, Alex.
Ayan na, nainggit na si Coco. Andun lang siya sa likod. Nainggit na si Coco, ngayon pa lang. Ayun siya, oh. Ayun. Ayun si Coco.
Were you able to get a sign?
Yeah.
No.
Another guy, isang guy.
Whatever his
At least my both have...
lakas niya, no? Isang kamay yung forehand niya.
Oh.
Binato ko nga doon, so he had to catch it.
Are you serious?
And then the pin.
What did you call it? And then he gave it back. Alam mo yung bahay na to, no? The seeded niya, itong game na she's playing. Win
All
or
the
lose.
tournaments that she plays.
Once she gets paid, paano you win or
Even
lose?
if the first, even lalabas. First or second. Basta yun, if you win,
But
yun mo